Hello, welcome to the new video. I am Emre and today I am going to show you how to create Google Analytics account and how to add Google Analytics code to your website using Google Tag Manager. As you can remember, I have shown you how to add Google Tag Manager code to your website. If you didn't watch the video, you can find it from at the top right on screen. But before getting started the video, if you want to learn more things, you can visit my personal website. Okay, now I am going to go Google Analytics account. I assume you have already had Google account, because if you hadn't, you can not sign in Analytics. First of all, you need to create Google account. And this is the demo view. It comes as a default when you sign in the Analytics. But if you want to create an account, you need to click admin section. As you can see, there are two different sites, account and property. I would like to explain to you what are these. Account is a level higher than property within an organization and is essentially your access point for Google Analytics. One organization can have more than one GA account, but in order to gain access to GA and choose the properties you wish to keep track of, you need to have at least one account within GA. Property is usually a web page, a mobile app or device. More than one property can be owned by one account. Your GA account lets you add various properties that you can glean useful data. GA does this via a tracking code that carries a unique ID, so it will be easily identifiable and shown within your reports. Okay, now I would like to create a Google Analytics account. That's why click the create account. Now we have to determine account name, and I am going to give pick with. It is a startup, new startup, and click the next. And property name, I am going to give same name, pick with. You can choose reporting time zone, also timeline, and also currency. All information is true for me, that's why I click next. And this is the third section. Industry category, select one, and I choose BT and fitness because it is a fitness mobile application. Business size, it's small. Also, you need your intent from here, but I choose the other. I choose the major app install and click the create. And we need to accept Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement, and I accept. Okay, we create our account and also property. Now we need to choose a platform. For example, I have a website. I need to choose website, but if you want to start collecting data from app, you need to choose Android app or iOS app, but I choose the web. I need to click website name, and I need to give set up your web stream, and I am going to give our URL, and this is, and also I need to give a stream name. I am going to give the same name with okay. As you can see, it comes here as a default. Also, you can choose another one. Okay, click the create stream. Okay, we have created our account and property for GA4, but as you can see, it comes a warning. Data collection isn't active for your website. If you install a text more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. Now, we are going to add this code using Google Tag Manager. Also, we have another way, but it is manual. That's why I prefer to use Google Tag Manager. As you can see, stream details is here. Stream name, stream URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. I am going to go Google Tag Manager account. Last video I have created Google Tag Manager account for Pigwit, and now I need to click here, and I am going to explain to you what is Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager stores and manages all tags, triggers, and variables in one place. But this is not the Google Tag Manager video, that's why I am not going to give you more details. Also, I will prepare a video for Google Tag Manager, Analytics, and another Google products or third-party products. Now I focus my job. We need to create integration. Okay, click the text and GA4 add the code to website. Okay, click the tag configuration. As you can see, the feature comes here: Google Analytics, Universal Analytics, configuration, events, Google Ads conversion tracking, and another. Now, the first thing when I integration Google Analytics using Tag Manager, I need to choose configuration. It is essential. And as you can see, we have a measurement ID, and we just copy and click here, we paste, and we need to create a trigger. Click here and all page, because we need to add the code all page in website, and save. Okay, we create text and triggers, and we need to submit it, and I publish. You can fulfill here. As you can see, it's this descriptive name and description about change. Click the continue, and we publish the version 2. Come back to workspace. Now we need to test it. Click the preview. Okay, stop debugging. And click the connect. Now Tag Assistant is working, and our website is opened by Tag Assistant, and this is the Pigwit website. and it is a new platform for coach. And now we control as you can see, our text is fired. That means, and it's working, and this is the end of the video. And next video I am going to give you more details about analytics, tag manager or another things. See you later. Have a good day.